Good evening. I'm Sharon Taswell.
And I'm Sean Maroney. Thanks for joining us. A longtime Wake County deputy has been fired after court documents show he lied in court.
CBS North Carolina Investigates Jonathan Rodriguez joins us live at the courthouse with what happened. Jonathan.
Well, Sean, Sharon, according to those court documents, Deputy Robert Davis lied not only here in Wake County Court, but also filed at least 2 other false reports involving DWI cases. So now the more than 100 cases that he was a part of that are pending, they've got to be thrown out of court.
That left me with no choice but to terminate Mr. Davis.
After 18 years on the force, Deputy Robert Davis has been fired. Court documents show he lied in court and filed false reports.
It makes me sick in my stomach. Do we make mistakes? Absolutely. But when you get this type of information, it really hits hard.
Davis was part of a DWI task force. A Wake County judge says Deputy Davis claimed defendants refused to take a breathalyzer test when in fact they had agreed to it. Instead, they were asking for a witness or an attorney, which is their legal right.
What was he thinking? If this is true, where was he coming from? You know, and you can't get inside people's heads. So it was a tough pill to swallow.
It's a black eye on the system, and we recognize that. It's important that when these things come to our attention, and we're lucky that they don't often, that we immediately root them out.
District Attorney Lauren Freeman says they now have to throw out 175 cases that Davis was involved in. Most of them were DWI cases.
Some of which had prior driving while impaired charges, some of which had children in their vehicles. So it's heartbreaking on different levels to have to let those cases go, but you know, it's important that we do things right.
Sheriff Donnie Harrison says it's something that impacts his entire department.
You got to have credibility. You got to treat people like you want to be treated. We take an oath to tell the truth, and we should be a notch above everybody else.
I can tell you the district attorney very frustrated about all this. Now, it all came to light due to video evidence from a local defense attorney. We are working on getting our hands on that video. In the meantime, as for Deputy Davis, he could also face perjury charges. That's going to be up to the DA here. We asked if she will follow through with those charges. She says they are considering it. Guys, back to you.
Eye-opening investigation. Thank you, Jonathan.